Good morning, student. I am Dr. Nitish Kumar Mishra, Assistant Professor of English, Nagarjun Umesh Sanskrit College, Tarun. Today, I teach you about preposition. What is preposition? Its kinds, its function. So enjoy in this class, and this class for started second year. Okay. So enjoy with me. And the preposition. What is the preposition? A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show it what relation the person or thing denoted by it stand in regard to something else. Okay? As there is a noun in the field. Cow, the field. What is relation? Relation show in. He is fond of tea. Tea, found. Relation show off. Okay? The cat jumped off the chair. Jumped chair. Relation show off. Okay? In this sentence, you understand preposition denote relation between noun to noun, cow to field, verb adjective to noun, jumped verb to noun. That means noun to noun, verb to noun, adjective to noun. Okay? The work of preposition. So the relation of noun to noun, noun to verb, noun to adjective. Okay? The noun or pronoun which is used with a preposition is called its object. What is object? The noun or pronoun which is used with a preposition is called the object. Okay? There are two kinds of object. Direct object or indirect object. Direct object or indirect object. As you can say, dative case and educational case. Okay? A preposition may have two or more objects. In a sentence, a preposition may have two or more objects. As the road runs over hill and plain. Two objects. Ram gave me the pain of his first birthday gift. A preposition is usually placed before its object. Okay? A preposition is usually placed before object. So you can use preposition before object. As you say, the field, in the field, tea, of tea, the chair, of the chair. Preposition is used before the object. But the preposition is often placed at the end when the object is relative pronoun or interrogative pronoun. Okay? Generally, we use preposition before the object, but sometimes in relative pronoun or interrogative pronoun, we use preposition at the end of the sentence. As here is the vase that you asked for. That relative pronoun, so use for at the last of sentence. That is the boy. Okay? That is the boy I was speaking. Here, whom? Whom is understood. That is the boy whom I was speaking of. of is used at the last of the sentence. What are you looking at? Interrogative pronoun, so use preposition at the end. What are you thinking of? What? Interrogative pronoun, so use of at the end. Which of these chairs did you sit on? Here also, which is interrogative pronoun, so we use on preposition at the last of the sentence. The preposition for, from, in, one, on are often omitted before noun of place or thing. Place or time. Okay, as he did it last week. He did it from last week, but we omitted preposition. I cannot walk for a yard. Here, for is omitted. Wait a minute for is omitted. Okay. Please note it. Are you understand? Are you understand? If you have any question, then ask me. Okay. Thank you.